Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we have to select one that we want to work on, and then we have to select the clip that we want to edit. After we selected it, in the bottom bar, we have to scroll to the right and find the adjustments button. We tap on this, and then at the top bar, there is brightness. If we tap on brightness, this little slider pops up, and if we move it to the right, the clip is going to become brighter, and if we move it to the left, the clip is going to become darker. And we can adjust the brightness like so. After we are done adjusting, we can just tap on the OK button, and this will save the settings. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.